Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Matt Maycroft. I've worked for a landscape shop on and off for the last 8 years, and I've ran my own business, power washing and lawn care, and I've been doing this YouTube thing for about 6 years. I haven't really pushed super hard being consistent like I should have, but I'm gonna start working on it a little bit more. It's winter outside right now, so primarily for now we're gonna be focused on inside welding and blacksmithing and doing some small fabrication stuff. Right now we are on the main channel. We are fabbing a 72-inch belt grinder for making knives. So that's what we're doing right now on the main channel. I hope you subscribe and come back for more content. I'm going to try to do hopefully a weekly upload and go from there. And hopefully this will become a full-time job for me, and I can stay home and support the kids and the wife and grow as a YouTuber. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and click on one of the videos down below.